What's up, my YT homies? This is Alethea, and I am coming in at you with another video. And this video is actually a review video. So if you would like to hear about this humidifier that I received, please continue to watch. Alright, so first off, let me just go ahead and say that a company reached out to me about doing this review. I was sent this humidifier free of charge for the purposes of my review. However, I have not been compensated in any shape, form, or fashion, and this video is not sponsored. So I was just sent the product for my review. Now, with that being said, the product can be purchased on Amazon, and I'm going to tell you what it's called, as well as I'm going to leave a link to it in the description box below. This is a good little long name. I hope I'm saying this right. It is the iTVanila Cool Mist Humidifier. 5-liter ultrasonic humidifier for large bedroom home. Baby automatic humidity keeping LED display with humidistat temperature display. 1.32 gallons US, 110 volts. Now, I received this humidifier. It is now, what is today? It's September the 21st, and I've had this humidifier since August the 5th or 6th. Let me see. August the 17th. It was purchased. I purchased it through my Amazon account due to them sending me a code to get it free. So anyway, so I purchased it through my Amazon account. I purchased it on the 15th. I have 2-day Prime shipping, so I got it August the 17th. So with that being said, let me get into the specs about this humidifier. Like I said, I received it free of charge for the purposes of my review. And in the box, when you open up the box, this little pamphlet comes in the box with the humidifier, as well as this little card that says iTVanila family, and then on the back it says your VIP benefits, and so it tells you how to go online to register your product, and it's free trial qualification, exclusive coupons, and 6 months extended warranty. They do have a Facebook as well as they have an Instagram, and I am going to join it. I don't know why I never looked at this card, but I am going to join it. So anyway, this has a digital monitor which is on the front. Took the humidifier off of the base and I put the water in there. It's not completely full with the water because I stopped. I filled up my glass container 5 different times putting the water in there. There is an optional filter on the back that you can put some essential oils in, so your essential oils can spray around the room. So I put lavender essential oils in there, and you can put the display in sleep mode so that the light on it won't bother you or what have you, and you adjust it with the digital thermostat. As far as this humidifier goes, let me tell y'all, they could not have reached out to me at a better time to send me this humidifier. And the reason why I say that is because during the winter time, well, all year pretty much, my daughter has nosebleeds. But in the winter time, when the air is really dry, it is the worst. The winter time is horrible for her. At night, in the morning, or what have you, she just has the nosebleeds. She used to wake up. I mean, like I said, she's been had them since, oh my God, forever. And it got to the point to where I think she was probably about 8 or 9. She didn't even wake me up if she had a nosebleed. She just took care of herself, went back to sleep, and just let me know the next day when she gave me the bloody washcloths or what have you. So, like I said, I couldn't have gotten it at a better time because we are approaching winter. So therefore, we have the humidifier, because the humidifier she had before, I don't know what happened to it, but I can't find it. It might have got lost in the move. So anyway, we don't have a humidifier, so I needed to get her another humidifier. It sprays out the cool air, and the cool mist comes out of the humidifier, and you can set it to different levels, level 1 through level 3, so that cool mist can come out. Default level is level 1, so that's where it's at when you open the humidifier up. But it can be changed. It does have instructions on here as to what you should not do, what you should do, and all that. The regular price is $49.99, but right now they have this humidifier on Amazon for $37.99, which is cheaper than some of the humidifiers I've seen in Walmart. So if you are in the market for a humidifier then I would suggest you give this one a try. And I'm not saying that just because this product was sent to me free or for my review. I'm saying that because I genuinely like the product. And even in here now, it's misting and I can just smell the lavender. That is the cool part about having it. The one con I would have to say about this product is the fact that they didn't send me two. Go figure. I mean, because having one in my daughter's room as well as having one in my room or downstairs would be awesome, because the older I get, the worse my allergies and sinus issues get. So I bet having a humidifier in my bedroom would definitely help me. So I may have to look at buying another one for myself, because like I said, that's the only con, that they didn't send me two and that they only sent me one. Other than that, it is a great humidifier option. Once again, I would suggest you go ahead and check that out. But that is all I have for you this time. So please do go ahead and like, comment, subscribe, and share this video across all your social media sites. And if you have not subscribed, and I just said subscribe, but if you have not subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit that bell to receive notifications every time I upload a new video. So until the next time, and in between time, you ladies and gentlemen be safe, and I will do what? Catch you on the flip side.